doing with your monkey? Daddy got it? Let her have it. What are you doing with that? I go get you. Go that way. She wants you to run from her. You better go chase your dad. You're not going to drop your monkey? Where is he? Well, careful. Careful. There he is. You better not let him get your monkey. Oh, you better not let him get your monkey.
Let him get off his car.
She's a smart girl. That's her monkey. Lulu. Oh, got an itch? Hey. Oh, I'm going to get it. You left it. Oh. Oh, there it goes. Where are you headed? Where are you headed, Lou? Where are you headed? Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, oh. You almost got him on the bed. You want Mama to help you? There. There's your monkey.